Protein could be the missing piece to achieving your fitness goals. Whether it's muscle gain or weight loss, it's all about having the right kind. Have you ever wondered why protein is key to both muscle recovery and weight loss? Introducing Lady Boss Lean, your ultimate fitness partner. Now, let's break down what makes Lady Boss Lean stand out. Packed with a powerful blend of whey protein, vitamins, and digestive enzymes, this protein powder is more than just a post-workout shake. It's a complete nutritional support system. You get high-quality whey protein, which helps build lean muscle and speeds up recovery after your workouts. But that's not all. It also contains enzymes to help with digestion, making it easier for your body to absorb these essential nutrients. But here's what really sets it apart. The added vitamins help boost your metabolism, giving you sustained energy throughout the day. Now imagine this. You've just finished an intense workout, and your muscles are feeling the burn. But instead of days of soreness, you can speed up your recovery in just hours. How? The protein in Lady Boss Lean works to repair and rebuild your muscles after exercise. That's because protein is the building block of your muscles, and without it, recovery slows down. The high-quality whey protein in Lady Boss Lean is designed to be absorbed quickly, so your muscles get the nutrients they need exactly when they need it most, right after your workout. This means faster recovery, less soreness, and more strength for your next session. And it's not just about feeling better. Faster recovery means you can get back to training sooner, leading to better results over time. Did you know that protein doesn't just help with muscle recovery? Let's break it down. First, protein keeps you feeling fuller for longer. This means fewer cravings and less snacking, which can make all the difference in reaching your weight loss goals. But there's more. Protein also boosts something called thermogenesis, which is the amount of calories your body burns just by digesting food. Yes, you're burning more calories simply by eating protein. Lady Boss Lean is packed with high-quality protein that fuels your body while keeping your metabolism in gear. Plus, maintaining lean muscle is crucial for weight loss. Protein helps you preserve that muscle while shedding fat. Lady Boss Lean for weight loss. So, if weight loss is your goal, Lady Boss Lean can be an essential part of your daily routine. You might be wondering, what makes Lady Boss Lean different from other protein powders? Well, here's the surprising truth. Lady Boss Lean was specifically designed with women in mind. It's more than just a protein powder. It's crafted to support the unique nutritional needs of women. For starters, Lady Boss Lean includes not only high-quality protein, but also essential vitamins and minerals like calcium and iron, which are critical for women's health. Calcium helps maintain strong bones, especially as we age, while iron supports energy levels, something many women struggle with, particularly during menstruation or pregnancy. And let's not forget, Lady Boss Lean contains digestive enzymes, perfect for those who experience bloating or discomfort after taking other protein powders. These enzymes help your body break down and absorb the nutrients more efficiently, making sure you get the full benefit from each scoop. Whether you're looking to lose weight, tone up, or just ensure you're getting enough protein daily, Lady Boss Lean is tailored to meet your goals while supporting your overall well-being. Real results from real women. Don't just take our word for it. Thousands of women are seeing results and feeling stronger every day thanks to Lady Boss Lean. Now that you know the incredible benefits of Lady Boss Lean, how it supports muscle recovery, helps with weight loss, and provides essential nutrients designed specifically for women, are you ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? If you're still curious about the taste, don't worry, we've got you covered. In our next video, we'll be doing a full taste test of the two flavors, vanilla cake and brownie batter. Spoiler alert, it's delicious, but you'll want to see for yourself. Click the link right here or check the description to watch the taste test video next. And if you're ready to get your hands on Lady Boss Lean, check the link in the description for the best offers available today. Don't miss out. Start fueling your fitness journey with the power of Lady Boss Lean now.